Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to stake cryptos on Kraken. So you get started with the easy workaround and the best method you can use to stake crypto on Kraken. So the first thing to do is your first step is to verify your account. So to get started with that, ensure your Kraken account is at immediate verification level or higher, which is required for staking. Then the next thing to do, which is your next step, is to fund your account. So deposit or buy crypto within Kraken that is eligible for staking. For example, you can buy the ETH dot or the Solana or BTC. You can even buy the USD. Then when that is done, you have to open the Kraken Pro app. So you use the Kraken Pro mobile app, not just the standard Kraken app, to access your staking features. Then once that is done, you have to go to N. So tap the portfolio icon at the bottom, then tap N. Then choose the assets and type. So select your desired crypto to stake, for example Ethereum, Bitcoin. Then pick the flexible, which is the instant assets, or bonded, which is a fixed lockup for higher reward if options are available. Then once that is done, enter the amount and confirm. So input how much you want to stake and swipe or tap stake, which is allocate to confirm. Then next is to earn reward. So reward are automatically paid twice a week and compound into staked balance. So to unstake anytime, so for flexible asset, instantly unstake via the same earning screen. And for bonded asset, you have to wait for the end of the lockup period before withdrawing. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.